LeetCode question number 953, verifying an Aryan dictionary. This is easy question. Let's get into it. In an Aryan language, surprisingly, they also use English lowercase letters, but possibly in a different order. The order of the alphabet is some permutation of lowercase letters. Given a sequence of words written in the Aryan language and the order of the alphabet, return true if and only if the given words are sorted lexiconically in this Aryan language. Let's check with example 1. In this case, words is 2 and the order is this one. So first we need to check the two words and then check character one by one. First is H with L. In this case, H is here, L is here. So L is the behind of H. So H first, and then so this word sequence is correct, right? This one is correct. So return true. Okay, next example 2. First we check word and word, and then this one is the same, so valid. Next is same, valid, and then next is same, valid, and then this one is different. So we needed to check the sequence of order. So L is here and then D is here, so this is the reverse it, so return first. Last is words, so these three is same, but you know the same case, shortest length of a word is first, right? So this is first. So today I'm gonna use the map, and key is character of order, and then value is index of order. So I will check it order from each character. Okay, let's implement the code. Okay, let me start again. Actually, this is the second one because I re-recording the lecture because there are some mistake. So okay, let's again map, and then I put getting character from order and map character append index. So we need to use enumerate order, and then this one is index and character, and next, and then I will iteration words by index, range length words -1, because in this case there are 3 words, so we need to check the 2 times. First this one with this one, and then second this one with this one, and then this one is no need to check because there are nothing in there, right? So that is the reason why we put -1. So make the 1, and 1 is first, 1 is word words I, and then second is 2 words I plus 1. So now the time to checking the character by character. So I will iterate only the small size one between to them. So for I in range, minimum value length 1 with length 2, and if this one is same, I will skip that iteration. So if 1j equal 2j, I continue. And next is if map on j, that is the first case. So my approach is if while iteration, if there are one first case, I will return first. Otherwise, that means I pass the wall, I will return 2. J and met 1J, 2J. In this case, I return first. And then else is the, if I find this one, finally we need to check this one. So if one is, length of 1 is bigger than length of 2, I will return first. Length 1 is bigger than length 2. Return first. And there is one more case. So if this one first means next is that means that is valid, right? This is the same case of this one. So somewhere is the different, and that this one is valid, means that no need to check the another one, right? So at the time I will break. And then return. If I pass all of that, true. H. Line 5, map character, append, index, oh, not append. J, 1J, 2J. Okay, looks good. Let's submit. Okay, good. In this case, time complexity is, okay, M is the length of a word, and then N is length of the maximum word. At that time, time complexity is big OMN, and then space complexity is need only map. Map is the length of order, right? So if the length of order is the K, space complexity is the K, but K is the constant, right? Because alphabet only constitute 26. So even though we use data structure, but the value is fixed, then we can say this is constant space. Thank you.